Hey guys, Christy here. I was invited to be part of a collaboration to make videos for Spectacular Salads. The co-hosts for this collaboration are Kat with Southern Farm and Kitchen and Shanna with the Dickinson Homestead. For this collab, I am going to be sharing with you a recipe for a crab salad. I hope you all enjoy it. I will be putting links to Shanna and Kat's channel in the description, as well as a playlist link for all of the other spectacular salads that are being made with this effort. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so right here I've got all my ingredients that I'm going to need to make my crab salad. I'm sure some of you have seen crab salad, aka seafood salad, in the deli section at the grocery store, and you may or may not have tried it. It's really good, but I decided to try and make it on my own because if you have bought it, you know they charge quite a bit per pound for it. But this is all you need, is a package of imitation crab meat. I got the leg style, which are the sticks like the ones they use in sushi rolls. You could also use the flake style, any one, because we're going to cut it up anyhow. 2 celery stalks, 2 green onions. You can use purple onion if you wish. I just use a little bit. Some mayonnaise, and I've got 2 out here because I'm going to use half a cup of mayonnaise. I don't think I've got quite half a cup left in that one jar. Some lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, and half a teaspoon of dill weed and a teaspoon of Old Bay. That's what I'm going to start off putting in there. And that's it. I mean, the ingredients are very, very simple to make the crab salad. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the crab chopped up and the veggies chopped up, and then I'll get back with you guys in a second. Okay, you can see here that I have cut up the crab, the celery, the green onions, put in the half a teaspoon of dill, a teaspoon of Old Bay, and sprinkled some salt and freshly ground pepper over top of it. I've also got my half a cup of Duke's mayonnaise right here, and the only thing left to do is mix it in all together, and I will do that right now. Okay, here it is, guys. This is the crab salad. Everything's all mixed together. You can see the dill and everything, all the seasonings on this up close shot. Ideally, you're going to want to refrigerate this for at least an hour or 2 so it can get cold again. It's best cold. And then when you serve it, you could put it on crackers, you could put it in a hoagie, you could put it on a salad, on some lettuce. However you want to eat it. You could eat it even just plain with a spoon. I'm going to go ahead and try it so I could check the flavor seasoning portions. Everything tastes good. I don't think I need to adjust any of the seasonings. The way that they are seems just fine. So that's it. I'm just going to put this in a Tupperware or something, storage container, stick it in the refrigerator, and we're going to have this later. Thanks guys for watching. Please check out Kat and Shanna's channel and the videos from all the other lovely ladies that were part of this collaboration for these sensational salads. Thank you and have a blessed day. Catch you on the next one.